after finishing 10th round, you have to make scallops. To make the scallops, make one chain and make 6 DC into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then after skipping 2 DCs, make 1 single crochet into the next DC. Then again, after skipping 2 DCs, make 6 DCs into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 scallops are done. Then skip 2 DCs and make 1 single crochet into the next. Then again skip 2 DCs and 6 double crochets into the next. After making 6 double crochets into the same stitch, skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet into the next. Likewise, you can make scallops, skipping 2, then another scallop. After skipping 2, an SC. Likewise, you can complete the scallops row. After making the last single crochet, join to the third chain, the first DC here with the slip stitch. Okay, then make 1 chain and fasten off. This is the cone with scallops. It has 10 rounds and the scallop round. Okay, now we are going to make the white border. The white border here. So you have to make the white border. Fasten off the green yarn and join the white yarn here. Join the white yarn by making a knot. Later on you can hide these remaining yarn parts. Now make 1 CH here, 1 chain, then make 1 SC, then 3 SCs, 1, 2, 3. Then make 2 chains, 1, 2, and 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then make 2 chains and again 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After making 7 single crochets, you have to make 2 chains and again 7 single crochets. Likewise, you have to complete the white border. Okay. Now you have to make 4 cones. The first cone is with 10 rounds and scallops and the white border. Second round is with 8 rounds. You have to stop the making the rounds after finishing the 8th round. Then you have to make the scallops and white border. That is the second round. Then the third round should be finished after making 6 rounds. Then the scallops and white border. Then the final one have to be finished with 4 rounds. Only 4 rounds are there. Then the scallop round and border. Okay. Then you can adjust these 4 cones. This is the first cone, and into that the second cone, and into that the third cone, and into the fourth one. So likewise you can arrange and you can make the star here and you can glue it to the